How to check size of photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. You can view all your media content over here, organized in your library. Now, find and select a photo you want to check the size of. Once the photo is open in full screen, tap on the Details icon below as shown. Here, a window will pop up including the photo size information. You can view the date and time it was captured, along with the device model. Below that, you can find important information like its resolution and file size. You can also see other camera details, such as the ISO and aperture settings. After reviewing the details, simply swipe down on the information panel to hide it. Following these steps, you can easily check the size of any photo on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.